Good morning from Montenegro. We're headed back to Albania. And we got in the car and we're getting on this boat. It's a ferry. And we're taking that thing across the bay. €4. Man, I was expecting this to cost way more.
I wonder how long this takes.
I don't know.
There's Wi-Fi on it.
Well, that's just great news, isn't it?
It is.
That's a Wi-Fi boy. Park this hell right up on here. Look at this. All right, cool. Ferry ride's over. Let's see if I can back the car off this hell. I don't know if I can or not. It's a little tight. I hope I don't have to back it off. I'm really hoping you can like pull off the front, but I don't know if that's how it works. Love how you just left this truck running.
Yeah, I know.
Continue straight past M4 arrest.
Put massive trucks on this thing. That's a tractor trailer, like box truck. Next to us, we have a crane truck. Huh. We just took our entire car on a ferry boat for €4, and an airline charges me like 50 if my bag is 1 pound over 12 pounds. Somebody's got some explaining to do.
Doesn't make sense.
I had the car, 2 humans in the car, 2 suitcases, 2 backpacks, and that's not overweight baggage? Airline. This is what $60 a night gets you in Shkodër, Albania. Look at this. We got a twin bed, a king size bed. It's a little tight in here, like it's walking, but $60 for this? And look at the view. We get a little balcony with table and chairs. We're right in the central area of Shkodër too. This room, $60, so we're paying like $30 each for this, and I think this is the one that I think we will probably stay 2 nights. It says there's only 15 rooms at this place, so it'll be real small. There's a restaurant. We get free breakfast in the morning, which is nuts. You get free breakfast with a $60 room. This is nuts. Let's check out Shkodër now. What do you say? Get the Muslim call to prayer going on right now. This woke us up the last time we were in Albania. Does that mean they'll do it again tonight?
Oh yeah, I can't wait. Second we shut our eyes.
We stopped here at a little bar for some beers and a doner. This thing's beefy. Have a look.
Beautiful.
I really like this one. Korka.
And we ordered donors, which is like our favorite thing to get too. The guy walks across the street, gets it at another restaurant, brings it back over to us. $2 for the donor. Incredible.
This is a center of Scope. No, we're not in Skopje. Where are we at?
Shkodër.
Shkodër. Here's our hotel. We're walking to find us some beers. How was your donor?
It was tasty.
I thought my donor was really good too. Not the best one I've had, but it'll do for a snack. We stopped at this place to get something to eat, or we were just gonna drink and eat. But we ordered a pizza and he said they don't have pizza. So I'm depressed. Why is it on the menu? He said we don't do pizza. It said pizza. I don't know.
I'm gonna flip a table.
Do it. Came up to the hotel bar. This is where we're staying. The rooftop bar. Some beers. They're more expensive than down on the street, but this pizza. This thing's only $5.